Hello, this is Joan of Art. Let's learn Ilonggo. This time it's the word forgiveness. In Ilonggo, it's kapatawaran. Such a long word. It's also in Tagalog. So if some of you might wonder why I'm comparing it between Ilonggo or Hiligaynon or Tagalog, sounds confusing. But in the Philippines, our national language is Filipino or Tagalog. It's based in Tagalog. However, we have dialects, such as in my province. Technically, it's Hiligaynon, but it's too much work to remember Hiligaynon. So we don't have to be really too strict about it. So Ilonggo would do because Ilonggo is more widely known. Not so much difference at all with the Ilonggo speakers who are from Iloilo. So again, let's talk about forgiveness. This is a word that has been ringing in my mind like the past few days, especially with some developments in my personal life. So I would like to release forgiveness or kapatawaran. For those of you who find it hard to even say, it's just one vowel. It's all the whole length of the word, kapatawaran. To make it easy for you to remember, the root word of kapatawaran is tawad. Kapatawaran is just more formal, but you could also say tawad. Tawad and kapatawaran, they're both the same. They're both nouns and mean the same, which is forgiveness. So that to ask for forgiveness is to pangayo, ask, sang, for kapatawaran, forgiveness. Pangayo, sang, kapatawaran, to ask for forgiveness. If you are the one to release forgiveness, it's maghatag or to give, sang, kapatawaran. The other word would be pasensya, which is a bit more informal or a lighter form if you ask for an apology, for example, or if you're sorry. So you can say pasensya na. If you want to ask for forgiveness, you say patawad or I'm sorry or forgive me, patawad. Again, patawad is also Tagalog. However, the difference would be in the word po. The Tagalog-speaking people always say po as a form of respect. In Ilonggo, there's no need to say po. You just have to say it in a respectful manner or tone. So for those who I think or I feel that have offended me all my life, I release forgiveness to each and every one of you. You're in my mind here. I don't have to blurt it out here on YouTube. But to all of you, you may be watching, or maybe a few years from now you may be watching, or you may not be watching. I forgive you. Ginapatawad ko ikaw. Because this is an Ilonggo tutorial video. Gina is the present form, or it also means forgiving. Ginapatawad ko, which means I. Ikaw. Ginapatawad ko ikaw. I forgive you. Another way of saying it is ginapatawad ko na ikaw. Na here means that after giving it some thought, after thinking about it for a while, I forgive you already. Ginapatawad ko na ikaw. Joan of Art, ginapatawad ko man ikaw. So man here means also. I also forgive you. Ginapatawad ko man ikaw. I also forgive you. This is Joan of Art, and until our next video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.